Goddess, what's your name?
Andrea.
Any well wishes
Oh,
and
yes.
why are you here?
Welcome to the new baby girl. Congratulations, Penny. Much love. Hi, I'm Norisi. I just wanted to say congratulations to Penny. I'm excited to meet my new niece in a couple of days or whenever, so that should be nice.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Diana. I just want to say well wishes, Penny. Congrats.
Can you come back to me?
I'm just playing. Hey, Loja, this is Anaya, your girl, your brother dog. I just want to say congratulations.
Oh, can you pass me? Oh, oh my God.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I just want to say congrats to Penny on the new baby girl.
Okay.
I like them.
I can come back to you.
Okay.
This is me.
Hola, EPG having a baby. What's up?
Cousins? Hostess with the mostess? This must be my cousin Gail. Kelly, you're welcome to come out. And who do we have here? Bia?
Hi.
Bugia Salira Hara.
Yes, I'm Bernadette. I'm 5'3". I weigh 130 pounds. I love to go cycling, and I love to have dinners and walk across the marina. It is so fun. If there's anybody there who want to come and spend time with me, let me know.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Clarice. Congratulations, Penny.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Hi, I'm Ida. Congratulations, Penny. You make a great mom.
You look like a Paulino.
I am.
Just checking.
Hey, sweetie, congratulations and good luck.
What is your name, beautiful?
Oh, Shelba.
Shoba.
Hi, it's Kwana. Congratulations, Penny, on the baby. Good luck.
We only have one celebrity out here, and you went to her first.
Hostess with the mostess. Kelly, come say hello. Just a quick hello, please.
Is this or is it a recording?
Just a quick hello, please.
Is it a recording?
Oh.
Or is it a picture?
Some people got shocked by it.
Congratulations, Penny.
Share your name with us.
I'm Azalea.
Good to have you. Who's behind you?
Oh, I gotta do my hair. Oh, hi, my name is Janisha. I just want to say congrats to Penny.
Thanks for having you. So,